Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is Mary, Dark and Lovely, and today we're gonna just do a simple smoothie recipe. It's very simple. It's gonna be a veggie and fruits. So most people they think that you have to always cook your vegetables, which is not true. You don't have to cook all your vegetables. Sometimes you can blend them and do a small of smoothie and mix up with your food, whatever you're eating at the same time. You don't have to cook always ugali ama mchele. Si lazima uwe ukichanganya vitu zako, unaweza kupika kanyama kako, alafu you blend your vegetables and they're gonna be very tip top. Anyway, we're gonna do just a couple of fruits and plus vegetables. It's very easy, and I have done this in my daily routine, and I know that it makes you have a positive vibe, you have an energy, you feel perfect, you feel your body good. The more you do it, the better. If you keep this as your challenge, you can challenge yourself. Do it every day in the morning before you go to work, before you start whatever you're starting. Do it for your kids, for yourself, for your husband, for your loved ones. And let me tell you, this is a secret. This is keeps you always happy. And so most of the time we put a lot of stuff in our stomach, which our stomach doesn't need all that. You just have to put. Sometimes you can fast, and your fasting gonna be like, let me just do a smoothie this 2-3 days and see how it is. And sometimes people they struggle with also their weight, and because they love eating, especially this time of corona, you're gonna be going fridge one back and forth, but anyway, I just wanted to do this secret with you guys, because a lot of you guys, you ask me, where do I get my body from, or where is my skin is from. It's not all about those cream on the body. Nah. It's all about what you put in your mouth. And let's go here. So first of all, you need a blender. It's very important in any ways. For me, it's very important. I don't know what about you, because you cannot do this what I'm doing without this. Okay, so sijui kama pengine kuna mtu anaweza kuwa pengine unaweza ku I don't know, maybe you can cut them and eat that, but cut it and eat that, it's a bit nasty. It's not nasty though for your body, but for the taste it's nasty. Anyway, we're gonna go for the fruits. We have kiwi, so everybody knows what is kiwi is. And then we're gonna put a half banana, because I don't eat banana that much, because I used to eat banana when I was a kid, and now I'm grown. It's a bit heavy for my belly, so I always prefer to have a half of banana. But you can put full of banana. It depends on how big your family is. It's fine. And then you put cantaloupe. It's a very good fruit, and this fruit I didn't know about, and few years back I knew, and it's a very sweet fruit. It's very energetic, it's colorful, and it's very healthy. So you can eat this without even blending. You can eat that with just it. Don't even try to mix with it. It's a very good fruit. And then we have blackberries. Everyone knows. I'm gonna show you guys at the end what I've prepared for you, because I didn't want to cut it off here. I wanted to just cut it off and show you guys. Then we have persimmons, and this one it's a melon. It's a very good fruit. It's a tasty, and it's a sugary too. So, and then we have, that's it. Then we have kiwis, I said. We have blackberries, I said. Then we're gonna go to the veggies. Veggies is always, unajua kuna watu huwa wakisikia veggies wanaona kama mbaya ni vitu ambazo zilipewa kwa wanyama, yani hazifai kupewa kwa binadamu, but actually that is the most important in our body. And here we have beets. It's a very it doesn't taste good. Most of people who knows beet doesn't taste good, but it's colorful, it's tasty at the same. It's not tasty, but it have its own healthy. Like me, I don't eat meat every day, so I prefer to have every time I make smoothie, I just put one beet and I'm good to go. Then we have some carrots. Everybody knows, ukiwa wadogo tuambiwa you have to eat your carrots in order your eye to see. And then we have spinach. You know, most of people who live in Europe, you think, you know, huku mashambani huku, unaona kispinach ndio hiki. Spinach zetu ndio hizi dadangu, ndugu zangu, spinach ndio hizi, Wajerumani ndio hao wakatupatia spinach ndio hizi. Okay, and then that's it. Actually, that's it. Then we do have a honey. It's very important for you. And honey, I prefer, most people, they're using a lot of sugar. Just don't use sugar, use the honey. And you can, you know, you can see the benefit of it. Okay guys, here we go. This is my spinach. As you can see, you see my carrots, you see the beets, and then you see the blackberries, then you see the bananas. And bananas are very, 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 very important. Then you see cantaloupe is there. Then you see persimmons is there also, you know, and the kiwis. Kiwis are very, very important, especially people who live in a cold areas like Europe and all that. Okay, so you see how I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna take this one. You can order online, and it's a good protein. It can make you. So this is our blender here. I told you guys, as I told you from beginning, please have one of these. Is good for you. So what I do, I normally cut it off, but right now I'm gonna do 1 spoon of honey. I'm gonna do 1 spoon of honey like that. I'll put it in. Sometimes it doesn't go all of it, but it's fine. And so you take your honey bag where you got it from. Then we're gonna put our 2 tablets protein inside. Usisahau kuponda ponda, manake hii blender huwa haifanyi everything, so you have to squash it. Then this one you can order on Amazon. Put 1 of the cup. Tastes a little bit like milk. And we have this one. You can stay with it for a month, 2 months. Depends on how you want to use it. Then we do have a cup of water. You can put 2, so 1.5 cup. So that's 1, and then they have 2.5. Sorry, 2.5. Then after, so you put your fruits. You see how it is, looking good. Then you put on your blender. I put it closer to me. So that's how you do it. Everyone know how to do it, huh? Yeah, guys, it's gonna be tasty. So that's our veggies. They're going in there too. Our kiwis and spinach. So that's how it should look like. And then we cut our melon. It's actually a so you squash it in pieces. And then you put it in. And our thing is full, you see? So our blender is full. So what you do now is just close it. Here we go. And yeah, let's see the next. So the next is to blend it. You see guys what I'm talking about? This is the whole deal of your body, your skin. Just be patient with it. And the meantime, you can be putting this back in the fridge. My daily routine, and I do love it because it makes me feel positive. It gives me a positive vibe, it gives me an energy, and I see everything very simple. You don't have to eat meat every day. You can always have your spinach, your carrots, whatever you like as veggies, and you can blend it and then just cook your whatever you were cooking, which is maybe spaghetti, and put it inside. I said that before, and give it to your kid on a plate. You know, they don't have to have always tomato sauce or tomato wherever. Nah, just put wherever it is, even the healthy tomato, cucumbers, spinach, and then put a little bit of a color, whichever it's gonna be, with the red beetroot, and bump it on your spaghetti and give it to your child.